Welcome in, Renegades. Today is an exciting day. I've been cheesing all day because I am making so much money right now with the internet computer. This is something I have waited a long time. We've all waited for the bear market to be over, and this is the start of the bull run. I told you that as soon as we broke that 330 level, we would start to go bullish and parabolic. We did. We're going to talk about some price targets that we had hit. This crypto news shocked everybody on the internet computer ICP. We're going to look real quick. We're going to get right into this. We are going to talk a little bit deeper into the episode, but I want to show the people that are just starting to watch the channel right now the value of this channel. And everybody here, thank you for subscribing. Please hit that like, subscribe if you haven't, and let's hear your ideas. But I don't want to toot my own horn, but I want to show you the value of this channel. So I called a $6.20 ICP if our bull flag played out. Now we had an ascending triangle breakout, and I wasn't sure if the bull flag was going to play out, but if it did, we were going to go to 620. And if we broke that 550 and the 577 level, I called 620 in several videos of mine, and we hit 621 exactly right there. I think my price target was like 621, but I just said 620. So this is really cool. I want to show you that that's amazing. I'm going to continue to keep calling these prices the best that I can, even retracements, so that you'll get another opportunity to buy this crypto. But I just love it when my TA works out, so you can make money, I can make money. This is just really awesome. ICP is just kicking butt right now. The community is growing. I showed you some indicators the other day on CVGI, which showed you that all of the indications, all of the oscillators, and all of the moving averages said we were going to go up. And with the bull flag, with the momentum, with the market, we did, and we hit 620, and I called it exactly. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching the channel and allowing me to share my skills with you guys. And just your support, you being here means a lot too. But I like these price targets when they move exactly where those previous targets are and where we expect to go. And I guess I got recognition for this. This is pretty cool. I guess the top 5 altcoins by rank on AltRank over the last 24 hours on Lunar Crush. So this is cool. INJ, Atom, FET, Osmo, and ICP. Now the top influencers are this guy. He has 5,800 followers. Then this guy, he has 10,000. This guy, he has 370K. Dang, what a list to be named on. This guy has 51K. And who's this guy? Who's this guy right here? Wait. I made the list of top influencers for ICP. This is cool. This is really awesome. I just like this because then more people can see my videos and make money. That's why I make videos, so that people can actually learn about crypto, educate themselves, and find the best crypto out there. And that's the internet computer. There's other good blockchains too. Atom's great. FET's great. INJ is pretty good. So yeah. But this is really what we want to see in the market right now. So we're going to go to ICP swap later. We're going to look at some tokens, see what the tokens to buy, see the price that went up. I think Boom DAO is up a lot, and I was telling you guys that was a good purchase. So, but let's go over here. So we've been talking about India Blockchain Week, and so the IBW official, it was a blast. So they had 2 days there, and then there was a whole week of events and stuff, but there was like a 2-day focus, I believe, on internet computer, I believe, or Cyphersphere was 2 days. I'm not exactly sure, but I think there was like a whole week of events and like a 2-day, thing where they could cover everything ICP and other stuff. So that's pretty cool. So from the main stage to the ICP Cypherspace stage, we covered it all. Sealing a government deal. Oh, a government deal with India. Nice. This is awesome. And I hope the United States gets on board, because every other country is not only supporting, but helping it thrive. And hosting the party of the week. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more India and across Asia. So this is a huge hub for the internet computer and for crypto in general. They almost banned, actually, I think they had crypto banned in India for a while. They did. If I remember back in like 2020, 2021, somewhere around there, they actually banned crypto in India. And I believe they also banned it in China at one point. And now they're starting to understand the value of crypto. So that's pretty cool and interesting to me. I love Catalyze always here. I gotta like their stuff there because they always be supporting, and that's what we like in this community, this ecosystem. So that's pretty cool. We got more news. So this is an interview with Dominic Williams from the Definity Foundation. So the Definity founder, Dominic Williams, says blockchain can bolster efforts to fight climate change. We've talked about this on the channel, but if you even look into politics and stuff, there's even like a certain like Republican, Democrat, and then you have like the whatever they call themselves, but there's like an actual political party for like the green initiative, and there was like this big bill that was passed in Europe, and so this is a huge thing in the world today. We have one planet, we get one planet, and so adding Web3 and blockchain to the green initiative is a very genius idea, and it's a very good idea too for our world. And so yeah, make money and change the world. Let's do it. Definity founder and chief scientist Dominic Williams told Cointelegraph that blockchain networks could support the creation of trustless infrastructure and incentivize climate positive action. So let's see. Dominic Williams says that blockchain technology and its decentralized, trustless nature give it a unique ability to assist in the fight against climate change. Williams told Cointelegraph there are 3 ways in which blockchain can address climate challenges. Blockchain networks can support the creation of trustless infrastructure that offers incentives for climate action, increases efficiency, and provides an alternative to traditional information technology, which has a huge carbon footprint. Okay, so basically, creation of trustless infrastructure, increasing efficiency, and it also an alternative to traditional information technology, which has a huge carbon footprint. So that's pretty cool. Volunteer recycling credits, we talked about this, but as you see, it is becoming a real thing. We go over the beginning of these projects, but I like to take a second to look back and see what they're doing now. Like we waited for the ckETH integration to happen, but we had to go through the process of learning about ckETH, reading about ckETH, and now, it's an actual thing, and they're going to create DeFi and, DEXs that support it, and just so much stuff with it. And so that's what it's just going to evolve over time. It's pretty interesting to me. COP28 Summit, that's where it was presented at. So the VRC runs on the internet computer in its entirety. That is, it is fully on-chain and has no dependencies on traditional tech like cloud services. This means there are no backdoors or gatekeepers, and its international participants who mint and purchase recycling credits can absolutely trust what they see. So that's the thing about blockchain. Like, a bank, when they get your money, they invest like 90% of it, out of the bank. So if everybody comes to get their money, all your money's gone. It's like a smoke and mirrors facade. And our economy is really based on kind of that smoke and mirror facade. And when it comes to blockchain and Web3, you have to have something for something. It's like a barter system. You can't make imaginary money and be like, yeah, we got your money, but only if not everybody comes and gets it at once. So what happens with crypto, if everybody, or a majority, it doesn't even have to be everybody, but like a majority of people, sell their crypto and get out of crypto, it's not going to make all the crypto disappear. It's going to make the price go down, but your money is going to be there. And when the price goes back up, you get your money back. It isn't like you lose any of the crypto. So it's basically a way to, get your money in a safe place, help the world, and use the state-of-the-art technology that the internet computer is without using a centralized service, so decentralized on top of all of that. It's just, this is what we need in the future. That this is going to hold people accountable. Things are run on smart contracts, not by trust. Trust is a thing of the past. You know, in all of the world, the scams. There's so many videos on YouTube and other things of just scammers, and you see it on crypto Twitter. You see it on my YouTube comments sometimes. Like there's just scammers everywhere, and so Web3 is going to change this, and using green technology is the way to go. So I don't know. Maybe Dfinity will have me on this. This kind of motivates me to network a little bit more. That's something I lack in my. I'm really good at making YouTube videos, but I'm not the best networker, and so that's something I have to do to be a big YouTuber one day. So that's what I'm going to work on. It's hard for me, but I'm going to work on it. So be our next X-Chain Mondays guest speaker. So I was like, wait, what? Be our next X-Chain Mondays guest speaker? Well, I have a project called ICP Renegades. It's built on the internet computer, where we almost have enough money for the game. But this is hosted by Kyle Langham. This guy used to like my tweets. That's kind of cool. Someone from the Dfinity Foundation likes my tweets. Hopefully I can make another banger. He'll like it. But Dfinity will follow me one day, I hope. Dominic Williams, that's the goal. But set a reminder every single Monday, X-Chain Mondays. So that'll be cool. I really like their X-Chain Mondays, especially when Dominic Williams is there. But Kyle's great. Jan Kamench is great. Andrew, all those guys. They're just gems of people. So let's move on. Remember to get this, but I do want to share. Hold on, where is this? Right here. I want to share this carbon credit one with you guys, this VRC, so that you can read the whole article. Let's give the shout out though. I almost forgot that. Ezra Regera, Block Cointelegraph. Ezra Romero. Thank you, buddy. So, booyah. Hey, everybody. Stop by and say hi to everybody. Thank you. We got 3K subs. So for Christmas, we're going to do a giveaway, yo. I really appreciate that. That makes me feel good. But we're going to do a giveaway. Smash that like. We're at 10. We have 18 people watching, so let's get 8 more likes on there. I'm going to call a new price, and we're going to see where we're going to go to next, because I hadn't really looked a whole lot above 620 to 640. Remember that other bull flag said we were going to go to 640? We talked about the one going to 620. But let me post this. Yeah, okay, you got that posted. So but yeah, we're going to give away to ICP, and I'm not doing giveaways anymore in the traditional sense. So what I mean by that, I said we're going to talk for a minute. I want to build my channel with people like you guys that are here, that support my channel, that comment, that like, because they like the video. I think giveaways give the wrong idea. So when I post stuff on Twitter, about a week ago, I was at like 2,089. Or something like that, or 2086. And then I posted on Twitter, and all of a sudden I got 11 new followers in like 2 minutes. And I was like, what is going on with that? Why did I get 11 followers? Okay, I'm like, wow, only 10 people retweeted this tweet so far. How did I get 11 followers? And then I just had a bad feeling about it. And then like 2 hours later, YouTube took them all back. So I'm no longer going to be posting giveaways on Twitter for my YouTube at all, ever. That's not going to happen. I'm not going to ruin my channel because somebody wants to get 2 free ICP. Most of you guys I know wouldn't do that. So it's I'm going to reward. What I am going to do is when we hit milestones together, you guys are with me. I'm going to pick somebody that's active in the chat, and I'm just going to hook you up. That's it. It's not going to be really a giveaway. It's just going to be rewarding active participation on the channel. Anybody who just subs and goes away, you don't get nothing, because you're scamming. And if you just sub and want to watch every now, that's fine. And you comment every now and again, I might choose you. But I'm just saying, like, people that just are here for the rewards, that's not what we're about here. I do like to give back to people. That's who I am as a person. That's why you guys are the people that are here are you guys, because you're the same type of way, and we're like-minded people. That not a cult or anything, but I just wanted to say thank you guys. I really appreciate all your support. We'll get into some price, because there's huge price, but I got to do this news because this news is good, but this crypto just shocked everybody. This news did. This news of this price moving. So let's go. Let's add you back to the stage. I'll get back to you, Ryan Lee. I'm not ignoring you. We will get to these questions in the end, but I just wanted to tell you that. And one more thing, I was talking to Six Figs the other day, and I just want to shout out Crypto Wendy again, because like not only did she let me on her channel when I was fairly new, she had like almost 200K subscribers. I was a little guy at like maybe 1,500 or something, maybe even I don't know what I had. But it wasn't just her letting me on her channel. That wasn't it. It was nobody in crypto at the time showed me any love. Like I was out here grinding, making 4 videos a day, just calling banger. I called Cardano to $2 in the last, but I just had really good videos, and some I didn't know a lot about crypto, so I had some really bad videos too, I'm not gonna lie. But her allowing me on her show made me believe that there's people out there that are good, that I was gonna give up. I would have quit my YouTube channel. Because I was at 1,000, 1,500 subs. I didn't see a whole lot of views. It was almost a bear market. After a while, the bear market was going to be coming, and I was so just hopeless at the time, and I was sick, and just things in my anyway, all of that. But I just want to shout out Wendy, because she's like the most genuine person in crypto, woman or man. She basically saved me from quitting just by her being kind. That's it. So be kind to people. It could change like the whole trajectory of their life. Like if I would have quit, who knows what I'd be doing right now. So, and you guys wouldn't have known what's going on. So let's get into this. Enough of the background stuff, the mushy stuff. So let's see. Oh, we got this so one more thing before we get into the well, a couple more things, but quickly. So we have a huge partnership now. And the big thing with crypto is, how are you going to be able to get money into it with fiat? How are you going to get your cash into crypto in a decentralized way on a decentralized exchange? So the ICP Gateway in Korea event held on December 4, 2023 at the Lot Hotel Seoul Sapphire Ballroom has successfully concluded. The event, marked by insightful discussions and significant networking opportunities, was greatly enhanced by the partnership with L Bank, a globally recognized cryptocurrency trading platform. Okay, so it doesn't look like a bank. It looks like it's a cryptocurrency trade platform. Okay, the event, running from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., was a hotspot for innovation, discussions, and insight into the Internet Computer ICP ecosystem and the broader Web3 landscape. As a key partner, L Bank played a crucial role in enriching the event experience for all attendees, emphasizing its commitment to supporting growth and innovation in blockchain and digital assets. So this is all ICP Hub Korea. As you have heard, there's ICP North America, ICP India, ICP LATAM, ICP Turkey, ICP Disruptives Hubs. There's just I'm missing so many, but there's so many I can't even name them all. But this is awesome. I'm also going to link this because this is a great article to read. This is on Medium. This is by L Bank Exchange themselves. So you can kind of go check out L Bank with this. You can go look at their Medium. They probably have their socials. They have their website right here, so you can go check it out. The world's leading digital asset exchange. So yeah, pretty exciting. What? Okay, are you serious? If you're joking with me, man, I'm not gonna be very happy. No, I'm just kidding. But did it really? Oh my God, man! What? Okay, guys. Oh man. Oh, just real quick, one more thing. The Gold DAO SNS launch. Let's see, you guys are with me, right? Okay. Sorry, I'm getting so excited, I'm losing focus. So you have to check this out. Gold DAO just barely launched their SNS sale, and they already have 250,000 ICP. Their minimum commitment goal is 200,000, so this is going to go through. If you put your ICP in this, which I recommend, go over there and do that right now, not financial advice, but this is a really good investment. I'm going to be putting money into this. We're not going to do it tonight since ICP is just blasting off right now, and we need to get to that. But this is very important, though. This is why ICP is blasting off, is because of tokens like this, because of Gold DAO, Gold Government, GLD. And Trax and Open Chat, all the ones that have already launched, and Trax is going to be launching again. I want to make that clear. They I believe their proposal has already gone through. Let's go back to Launchpad. Proposal, is it Trax? Let's see. Yep. So track. So you can still vote. It looks like it's gonna pass again. So come over here, vote on this as well. But now let's get to the price, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. I hate to skip over the news because the news is so important, but right now the price is what is just going crazy, And this is insane. I didn't even have time to hit $7 yet. Like, so are we at 704? Are we moving up so fast? What is going on Coinbase? $7, 704. It says 641 right here. So Coinbase, let's just go to this for a second. Let me just show you this. 1 second. I won't remember to put it back on there because I'm thinking about it. You weren't joking. You weren't. Yes, man. Yeah, boy. Price of one ICP right now. But it says 704 right here. 704. We went to 706. Oh my God. We more than doubled our money in 2 months. We did. We doubled our money in 2 months. 2 months. You know, it took me over 2 years to double my money last time. It is taking like off like a rocket. Coin market cap only showing 640. Let's go to the Coinbase chart today. We want to see these good Coinbase prices. One ICP right now. Yes. Yes. Dude, my guy Six Figs, go watch his channel because this guy, you think I call good price targets? Man, if I wasn't calling these price targets, I wasn't on YouTube, I'd tell everybody to just watch his channel only his channel. No, but no, he's calling these price targets too. And the Ichimoku cloud is so small right now. Huh, Six Figs? So tiny. We're going to pass right through it. Onyx, thank you, dude. Thank you. I appreciate that. William, what's up? ICP, Warband, my guy's here. Meta Owl, hey, bro. Coinbase only showing 640. Okay, let's go to the Coinbase chart. Let's get rid of this real quick. Where is that? Sorry, I'm getting overexcited right now because this is what we've been waiting for. This is it, guys. We did it. We made it. We made it. Coinbase. Yes. We made it. And this is just the beginning. We made it through the bear market. We did it together as a community. Smash that like if you are happy we're done with the bear market. $7.08, baby. Coinbase, look at that. 708. Boom. Okay, let's go look over here. Where are we at here? Where are we at? 645. Okay, so there's big money. So what this tells me right now is the whales are pumping the price. So I'm going to give you a little indication. We're probably going to go back to that 640 area. So what is happening? The whales are pumping up the price on Coinbase and they are taking profit. So it doesn't translate over to coin market cap because it uses Binance, right? This is the Binance, and they probably don't have as much liquidity either as the internet computer. So it might not just be whales, but every time I've seen this, the price does go significantly back down. I want you to know that. And one day we rose over 26%. This has been one of the best days in the history of this year. This is the best day of this year right now. Best day of the year. It's not only because it's Christmas, the most wonderful time of the year. It's because we're having our Santa rally right now. Santa rally. Welcome, Santa rally. So 708, this looks beautiful, man. This looks, look at that volume. 139.2 million. That's why, too. We're almost at 3 billion. Oh, my God, man. What is going on here? What is happening? This is pretty awesome, man. I love it when things just work out. Okay, let's do some TA. I mean, it's kind of hard for me to do TA because of the two different prices. I got to think of what I got to do for a second. Trending assets. Let's see, is ICP trending? Let's see. ICP. Why is ICP not trending? Are you kidding me? Oh, come on. GYN? Dude, I told you guys about GYN. You be careful about GYN. It's a stable coin. How do you have GYN on there and not ICP? Okay, Coinbase, you just lost me on that. All right, let's see. Let's look at the oscillators first before we do price. Let's do here, and I'll even show you how to get to it. So I do ICP, crypto, because if you just do ICP indicators, you're going to get intracranial pressure. But if you go down here to CFGI, it's the Internet Computer Fear and Greed Index. I'm showing you guys some behind the scenes stuff here. So just go into this. And if we look at these, so we're on the 15-minute, which is the short-term price movement. It looks like the price score is positive, volatility very positive, volume very positive, impulse very positive. Technicals, okay, we'll look at that. It says neutral. Social very positive. Dominance is negative. What's the price of Bitcoin? Yeah, 42. Okay, so Bitcoin's going back down. It went up to 43, and now it's going back down. So the price of internet computer, and I told you that it's going to go back down, right? Let's look at the price now. Okay, that says 708. Let's just do this for a second. Let's reset that because I know it's going to go down. Yeah, 638. See, so this you got to be careful. You could have just sold your ICP at $7 on Coinbase, and then now you could buy it at 638 while you were on my live stream. So you could have had a really good trade right there, and I hope you did. Let's see, we're at 696 now. Wait, so you could sell your ICP right now for 696, or a little bit, take profit, and then get back in. Not financial advice, but hey, and then it go back down to 650. You know. This looks like a bull flag, dude. I don't know. We just been tearing it up. Okay, but let's go back to the indicators because that was only the 15-minute. Let's look at the daily because we want to see, hey, are we too overbought on the daily now? Let's see. The day. Okay, what? Okay, the dominance is very negative, which means the dominance is going to really smash us down if Bitcoin goes down, but it's going up. It did go back down a little bit, but it didn't go back to the price that it started at. So we're not going to see the Bitcoin hammer, which means unless Bitcoin goes way back down, which I think Bitcoin's probably going to keep going up, we should be pretty good. It depends if Bitcoin goes down before it goes up, though, because if it does, then we might be screwed a little bit. But it looks like the search results are neutral, which is weird because the internet computer, it's probably going to change because this is the daily if you look at the 15 minutes. But the whales are neutral. They probably took their profit. That's why I'd say not bullish anymore, not positive. As you watch this price go all the way up to $7.08, you see exactly what is going on. So, yeah, $6.99. We might not be done pumping yet, though. This is it's unprecedented because we're moving so quick, and this is what happens on a parabolic run. But I do want to look at the 4-hour as well and just see everything is still looking bullish, guys. After all of these big pumps, most of the indicators on most of the time frames, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute daily, is just absolutely positive. Price score, volatility, volume, impulse, technical neutral, social neutral, dominance, that's okay. Whales negative. Okay, on the 4-hour, this is why. So the whales probably pumped it up right here, I believe, to 645 right here, 47, and then dumped us back down to 627, sold, took profit, and then kind of did it again. Not a lot, but if you have a lot of money going from 647, if you have like $100 million or $50 million in ICP, 30 cents on each of those, like 20 million ICP times 30 cents, do the math on that. You're talking millions of dollars that you made off of very, very small gains. So the bigger money you have, and that's why the whale score is negative right now because they took profit. But not all whales took profit. That's why it's only negative, not very negative, because they took profit, but not all of them, and they're scooping it up as well. So order book, very negative. So I do want to look at the 1 hour, though. This is going to be the last time frame that really matters. Yeah. So everything's looking really good except the dominance. The whales are neutral on this one order book. Okay, 4 hour. So let's go over here. What price target next? As you see, I called these price targets. Look, it went almost up exactly to my price target. 620? 620? Okay, what did I say? 622. And then we went up and touched it. Boom, 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 boom. So every single price target I've called support, resistant, broke up. Resistant, broke up. Resistant, broke up. So this is great. We're going absolutely crazy. It's just amazing. The only thing is on the 15-minute, we have this nice support here at 640. So I do want to look at some indicators today. We normally just put those in, but since we moved really high, that isn't going to be enough on its own to tell us where we're going to go next. And I want to give you like a 2024 first part of year prediction where we're going to go. So if you look at this EMA 9, we're at 635, which means this is the indicator that always stays the closest to the candles. This indicator is going to tell us whether we're in a bullish or a bearish trend because it's the 9 last candles. And if you count 15 minutes each candle, that is only what, 15 minutes times for 60 minutes, so an hour, 2 hours and 15 minutes. So 2 hours and 15 minutes, we are above that. When we get below it, we do test that level, but this is going to tell us whether we're going to continue going up. So we do have some support here at 638 if we do go down, and then we do have some support right here at you can say 631 for the smaller time frame, since we're on the 15-minute. That is a level that we broke out, confirmed support, and then broke back down, tested this EMA 9 and this breakout level where the bull flag was. We're going to go out to the week, and I just want to show you this bull flag that I'm talking about. Now that it actually broke, look, my price target's still here, by the way, from the bull flag breakout on the second one. This one's 640 right here. I called 640 on my last video on this bull flag right here. This was definitely a bull flag-ish type deal. Okay, but what other bull flag did we call? Well, it was this one. Right here. Oh, down here. Right down here. So it went all the way. Well, it depends on where you want to start it, but I want to start it. Not right there. I want to start it right here. Okay. So then we take this point, and I already showed you this before, and we take this, and I told you, look how many, we had 1, 2, 3 weeks, a breakout test week. We closed above, which caused us to be above this level breakout, bull flag breakout. So let's do this. And then we're going to look at where the price is. We are overbought though on the weekly, which is a very big indicator that we're starting to get oversold. But if we take, wait, why did I put that there? Yeah, so here. So where does this say that we were going to go? This bull flag that I did right here. Well, this one is right at 620. I'm just saying, I called this like a month ago, let's see how long ago. I think it was a month ago though. So 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Yep. So I called it a month ago. This bull flag, as you see, this beautiful, beautiful bull flag right here. Beauty. And then we had another bull flag right here. So this one was a starting of a bull flag, and we didn't even get it to play out because it just blasted off. But this was another bull flag, and my price target was 640. So we had our 620 breakout, got exactly to the bull flag. I called another 640. So where are we going to go to next? Well, this is a very, very big level, as you see going back here to get above $6.40, which was a bull flag breakout. And if we can close above this $6.40 level, we really could be moving up to $7.35. And that's crazy that we did almost go to $7.35 on Coinbase. What did we go to? $7.15? $7.17. Isn't that crazy how exact this is? Like from the past indicators. So we're going to start to look at bigger indicators now. Let's get rid of all, well, I kind of want to keep these lines. Let's just make new lines. We'll just remove them. But what I want to see is these larger moving averages on the weekly. So we're going to be looking at the 50. Where's the 50 at? Are we above the 50 on the weekly? We just moved above the 50-week moving average. 50 weeks, 1 year moving average. 1 year. We have a massive cup and handle right here. This is probably the biggest cup and handle. If we do move back to the downside, we're set. This is a beautiful, beautiful cup and handle. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to draw this out for you. So even we might continue to move up, but, well, that was an ugly cup and handle. Hold on. Jeez, was that a cup? What was that? That wasn't a cup. That wasn't a cup. I don't know what that was. So, cup. And then if we do go back like next week, we could have a nice move to the upside here. So this is very important to note that we hit this level exactly over here at 640, and we're above that. So if we break out, we could really move to that $7.32 level on Binance too. So now let's look at where the EMA 100 is on the weekly, and then I'm going to show you where we could go if we retrace. which I think is probably, actually, I think it's going to be that 50-week moving average. So I think it's going to be somewhere around that $6, what is this, 577. Wasn't it right at like 577? Let's put the 50 back, sorry. I wasn't expecting that to go through. I think it was like at 577, which is a big area. Let's see, 587. So it's 10 cents above that big breakout area, which was at 577 that we were looking at, a breakout to 620 from 570. So we have a nice support right here at $5.87. So if we do retrace, we go back there. But if we do retrace, look, it would go, this would kind of curl up a little bit and then probably end up right here, almost exactly where this thing, and it could be a cup and handle, right? So we see that, and then it goes up with it. Well, it's the 50, so it actually probably take a lot longer to go up than that. But yeah, you get what I mean, though. It could, like, go up like that, and then just very, very, very slow, very, very, very slow, like that. So we bounce off of the 50 and then keep going, or we test this $7.30 level now. I mean, anything's possible with the price right now, guys. This is craziness. So, but let's look at the smaller time frame. I do want to look at the daily. This is going to be a very, very, very important indication of where we're going to be moving next. And it looks like we have a possible bull flag. We have these ascending triangles that happen right here, and this is really unprecedented. We're just going parabolic. We didn't look at the 100-day. Sorry, let's go back to the week first and look at that 100-day. I got sidetracked. I'm sorry. Let's look at that 100-day, and we'll see where that is. And that could be our next big move after 737. So wait, where are you? Oh, wow. So it's at $14. Okay, this one's still a bit of ways. So maybe that's why we didn't look at it. We didn't want to see that yet. we didn't want to see that yet. Not yet. We'll see that next year sometime. And we'll give a next year prediction too. So, but yeah, this is unprecedented. The EMA 100 is underneath of us on the daily. I'm going to tell you the EMA 200 is under us too, because we are above our yearly moving destination. Yeah. So this is crazy to see the 200. And I kind of want to go to the month and just see how we're doing on the month real quick. But 1 month. Oh my God, look at that. So there could be a cup and handle on the month too. We also have a possible inverse head and shoulders on the month. Oh my goodness, dude, this would be crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that. And look how undervalued, oversold ICP is on the monthly. Okay, if we can get this 18, that's why we're going parabolic right now, is the monthly RSI. This is going to be the next big one to watch. If we keep going parabolic, we are above the moving average, actually. We're not below it. So this is the next big one to watch because it's definitely undervalued on the month. We could see an inverse head and shoulders. This is the left shoulder. This could be the right shoulder. If we do get like a, cup and handle type pattern right here, even going down a little bit further, this could create the third shoulder right here. And then we have a neckline breakout kind of like right here, like that. Actually, I would probably do it more like this a little bit. Okay, well, it's not the best. I don't know, maybe I would do it like this, something like that. So we could have this inverse head and shoulders, and where would that bring us on the monthly? Where would that bring us if this inverse head and shoulders breaks out like over here? Okay, well, that would bring us to our, I would say it's good. I'm going to put that down a little bit because it's not quite on the line. Let's just bring it back right about there. Right about here. So that would bring us up to this resistance at $9.78, where we went twice over here and almost hit it again here in February of 2023. Okay, we hit it once here in June of 2022, July of 2022, and August. And then we went back up to test it again here. There is going to be some resistance at 821. And then as you see the 737 mark, which actually goes back on the month over here, and a test here, a breakout to this next level. So these are very important, even on the monthly. I've never even looked at the monthly really. That's funny how the price targets match up like that. even on the larger time frames. So if we get that inverse head and shoulders, we could really see a massive move up to $10 by, you know, the end. Let's see, that would take, let's go, but sorry, we need to see how long that's going to take first. That could take, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we could actually even here, it doesn't have to be that big. So I say by February, maybe March. It looks better by March. We could, you know, break out of this. I think we're going to break out of this sooner. I just don't think it's going to be all the way till March, because we already broke out to $7. So I think this is going to break out sooner. Most likely what's going to happen is we're actually going to close above this level, which is going to probably move this up here, which is cool. And if this reaches right about 662 or even closes above, we break that level. But if it hits there, then we have a nice clean inverse head and shoulders. And then if it does go back down because of this cup and handle that you see on the larger, this big cup and handle right here, it could go down and then really go back up and break out. So those are the possibilities. We have another breakout of this level, or we kind of retrace with this cup and handle pattern, end up like back down here to close somewhere around 640, close somewhere around 640, and then this candle kind of goes down probably to about 589-ish. Maybe 546, or, you know, that 550 level we broke out to, which and those EMAs are going to be great. So that's what I see. But more likely is what's going to happen is we're going to have you know, a correction coming pretty soon. But until Christmas, till the Santa rally's over, we're good. It's 660 right now. We're going up even more. So I don't know. We're going right up to my line at 662, and we're at 660 right now. So if we break this kind of level right here, we are breaking this upward trending resistance line, which is, it could possibly bring us all the way up to 724 to 737. That's what I'm seeing. So this is just great news. I love when things work out like this. I did call Bitcoin, you know, but I didn't start making videos until 2021. So I wish I would have in 2020, because I told everyone in my family, everybody I knew. And then I was like, man, I need to tell people. How do I tell people that'll listen? And I was like, YouTube. Okay, let's look at these smaller time frames. I do want to look at the hour since we kept going back to the month. But we are at this big resistance level right now, 662. What is it? 662, 664, 664, whatever. This level right here. So this is the big level I'm watching. We just had another ascending triangle. Well, no. Oh, we did. Okay, right here. Here's two candles the same. So we did have an ascending triangle breakout on the 1 hour, which brought us up to here. The 200, let's look at the EMA 9 though, on the 1 hour, because this is going to be very important. Yeah, so this is our support kind of going up, and it looks like we've been up above it for a long time, but we are overbought. But we can stay overbought on the hour. The hour isn't the big one to worry about. The 4 hour, we can be up here for a little while. We are starting to get overbought at 77, but that, like everything, while we're having a big parabolic move, it can last for a while. And this is okay if it lasts for a while, because we already cooled off right here. As you see, we cool off and then we pump back up to the upside. That means we have momentum. We have upward trending momentum. So I'm really looking at this 737 level, but there is a big possibility. 4 hour, let's see. Let's go to the daily again. There is a possibility, if we kind of push this back over here, of, let's see, which one's 7? Okay, 737's up here. There is going to be some serious resistance between here and here. This level, these two levels, okay? Between 665 and 684. This is going to be a pretty big box area of resistance, okay? We are hitting that resistance pretty soon. We do have some support right here at 647 again. So this is good. We broke above very, very key levels. But again, on the daily, we're starting to get really oversold, or overbought. I mean, really overbought, really, really overbought. But that's not what all of the other indicators are saying. Extreme greed. Okay, so but the technicals are neutral, just like I said, right? But I'm finding good positive stuff in there, even though it's neutral. It just people can't really tell with the charts right now without using TA like I do, because my TA is very unconventional and people don't use it very often because it's kind of archaic. But it's the best indicators I've ever used. So we're done with the TA today. 737. Look for the levels back down to about 647, 625, and a possible move to 569. That's it, though. I don't think we're going to be moving down to these prices, but there is a possibility of a cup and handle that does bring us back down close to these prices. Or we move up and, just keep going with it. So let's just remove all of these and get back over here. Thank you guys telling me the price is going like that. Wow. I need to drink some water now. I'm like wearing all blue today because, I had it clean and it matched. So I was like, and I got my blue shoes too. My blue shoes. Can't see them, but blue Nikes. I should have wore green today. What's causing the gains? So the market goes parabolic sometimes. When a crypto becomes undervalued, there is something that happens akin to a domino effect. So what happens is a crypto that has so much momentum coming into the last bull run loses the momentum, and then it comes back, and then the price comes back, and then we have a longer bear market. So people leave the market and they see new lows. So what happens is when all of us who are the hodlers we hold down the fort while that happens. We stack our bags, we hold down the fort, and then what happens is because we hold down the fort, we stake our ICP, we hold the community down, we interact on social media, we get the word out about ICP. Then when the market starts to recover, because it's a bear market moving into a bull market, and nobody knows when that's going to happen. We thought it was going to happen 6 months ago, and then we had a fake out. So it makes it so where people are like, okay, the volume's going up. Whales started. So this is how it starts. With all of that being said, the whales start buying. Okay, we hold down the fort. The whales start accumulating, and then they can move the price because they have a lot of money. As you see, we have 170 million in volume. So they take like $50 million in volume. The price, buy $50 million at a certain price at a breakout level, or before that breakout level. Then it breaks out. They go and they take profit. But while that's happening, while they pump the market up, retail investors are like, damn, that's a lot of gains. That's pretty cool. So us holding down the fort, the whales coming in, buying it up, pumping the price, then retail investors like, okay, this is making money. I'm getting into this. Or people that left that didn't hold down the fort, FOMO in again. And then the price starts moving again, and the whales are like, okay, this works. We're making money right now. We can long this until we short it, because whales are whales, right? And I don't like to short ICP, but whales, might do that. But what they do is they pump it, and then they see the trend, the momentum of the crypto, and then retail comes in and they make money again. And as long as the whales are making money, we get big pumps. Then the retail comes in and confirms those pumps. So if we get a big scam wick to like 615 like earlier and then go back up, that's not a scam wick. That means the whale just pumped that price up, took the profit, pushed the price down, and bought in again. So we pump again. Retail investors FOMO and make more money. That it's just like a domino effect. It really, the places are all in order with those indicators, those oscillators that we look at. It tells us what the whales are doing right now, in each different time frame. And yes, it's negative because they're taking profit. So you have to understand, if it's negative while the price is going down, that's bad. That means they're selling, the price is going down. When it's negative and the price is going up, that means they're taking profits and probably getting in again later. Or if it's neutral, that's exactly what they're doing. So that's really cool. So thank you guys for being here. Let's get into some questions. Gold Dow all the way, tracks, baby. I'm just so happy of these SNS launches. Hopefully Courier will do it again. Ichimoku clouds. Now I'm going to leave that to 6 figs, man. If you want to see 6 figs, you want to see Ichimoku clouds, go to 6 figs. He's taught me a lot. And so, and I use what works good for me. The Ichimoku clouds are great, but that's his thing. And he'd probably let me if I had, but I'm not going to, because I think he does it the best. And why would I want to improve on something that's already done very well? That's what I'm going to say about that. They're great though. And I wish, yeah, speak this Japanese cloud. So 6 Bigs, if you're watching still, man, people want that Ichimoku cloud. Go check his channel out. He's the best. He's great. So I agree. There's a serious momentum run going on here. Amazing way of reading charts. Thank you. Thank you. I know it's very, I didn't even read them like that at first. I started to do it, and then it worked, and it worked again, and it worked again, and it worked again. So I was like, yeah, dude, I'm doing charts like this every time, man. If I would have done that last bull run, I'd probably be a millionaire right now. 51 viewing, man. What, man? Oh my God, dude. This is insane. Smash that like. Let's get it up to 100 likes. We've never had a 100 like live stream yet. Let's go. We got 93 on one of them. Let's push that 7 more. Dang, dude. Okay, he says 750 tomorrow night. That's I mean, that 737 level, man, is calling us. It's like you're going fishing, right? You got that fish on the hook, right? But you can't tug it too soon because it'll get away. So we just got to wait and be patient, reel it in nice and slow, you know, and get that net ready. Take them profits. That's what we got to do. What's causing the gains? Yeah, that was a good question, William. This is the kind of question that gets somebody to ICP for our 3,000 subscriber, man. I'm telling you, this kind of question. This is what I want from people, is questions like this. And finally getting to us or gold DAO. And it could have something to do with these SNS launches, like I was saying earlier too. So yeah, this is fun, man. I'm having a blast. Pretty soon, just after XMitch, a huge dump. You could be very right there, man. We have had a massive parabolic movement. We're going to have a correction soon. But I don't want to call that right now. We're in freaking extreme greed right now. But remember, Crypto Airborne always says, be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So it's kind of a back and forth. What I would do is, if I was going to take profits, I would, and then I would wait for a move to the downside, and I would only take a very small amount. Like, I have short-term bag and a long-term bag. You have a long-term bag, don't sell right now, not financial advice, but I wouldn't sell right now. But if I have a short-term bag and we just moved up from, $5 to $7 almost, yeah, I'd take profit and then wait for it to retrace, because it looks like we're going to retrace soon. And it might not be until after Christmas. We could go to $9 and then have a retracement back down to $6. That could happen too. But what I'm doing is giving you the next levels that we're going to see, even if we pump above them. That's the thing. Those are good levels. And if it goes down, those are good levels to buy. That's what these levels are telling you. This is when you buy. This is when you sell. If you're taking like short-term profit, I'm holding for at least another year and a half. And then I'm going to sell, and then I'm going to buy in the next bear market, and then I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to wait like 8 months after the start of the bear market, or 9 months when everything's down 90-some%. That's how you do it. I'm going to kill it the next couple of years. You guys are coming with me. Let's go. You're going to make money too. Coinbase 709. ICP support, baby. We will keep, you see how much AVAX and Sol did. No, I didn't. How much did they go? How much did ICP? Let's go look real quick. Because I do, like, other cryptos are doing good too, but I want to see. Let's go look at their rank on CoinMarketCap for ICP real quick. 27, baby. Yes. 27. So we're outperforming other cryptos too. That is very, very, very important. Very important. Okay, let's see what everything's doing. Top gainers. Let's go. Let's see. BNB. It isn't doing nothing. Cardano, nothing. Polkadot, nothing. Nobody, nothing. What is going on with ICP, man? Oh my God, yeah, SNS Gold DAO. This is something that's going to be huge in ICP. I'm seeing it. Internet Computer, it says only 3%. I don't know. Oh, that's an hour. That's okay. Sorry, that I was looking at the hour. So 15% the last 24 hours. Let's look at Solana. Sorry. Oh, it went up 10% and it's up 50%. Okay, hey, Vax, hey, go 5% and 11. So Solana's been parabolic. It's more than doubled in price. So this is cool. I might do a video on these later on my other channel, but for now, we're going to keep doing ICP because ICP is the one that's making me the most money right now. Not going to lie. So need ICP hat for Christmas. Okay, I'm going to work on that. I'm going to try to see if I can't get it out before Christmas. I'm going to show my daughter's book right now. Go, if you want to support my daughter, she's a creative writer. on Amazon, you can go buy her book right now. It's $20 or $9.99 on Kindle, I think, or 25 for, but it's called Farm Boy. Just look up Farm Boy, Farm Boy, Farm Boy, and you can go buy that over there. But if you want, the gold SNS caused the pump. Okay, let's go. This is great, man. 716 Coinbase, let's go. So if you trade on Coinbase, if you're in the US, because you're going to be able to take the profit up at $7 and Binance is only 650, there might be an arbitrage there too. Be careful if you're trying to arbitrage, but if you're going to buy an internet computer at 650 anyway, you might as well just maybe try to arbitrage it over on Coinbase. Send from, Binance to you can maybe send it from Binance to Coinbase, but I'd like to send it to a cold wallet and then send it to Coinbase, because if you do an exchange to an exchange, there could be an issue. So just be careful with that. But if you buy it 650 and then sell it $7 on Coinbase, that might be a good profit, but not financial advice, and be careful. I don't know if that's going to work, but that's an idea that could work. Soon $40. So we're really looking at that $15, $16 level. Remember that EMA, what is it, the 100 on the weekly is right around 14.91. So that's a big area we're going to be watching for next year. I told you I was going to make a next year price prediction. I think we're going to hit 15 possibly by mid-year, by summer. And then I think we're probably going to close the year somewhere around $26. Next year. And then we're going to pump to about 60 by mid 2025. And then by the end of 2025, I see it $100 to $500. It's going to be parabolic like this, but in the bull market. So this is going to be great. Gold Dow seen withdrawal issues reported on Coinbase and Binance supplied. Okay. So gold, he has multiple things to say about this. So this is why it's pumping. Gold Dow, there was withdrawal issues on Binance. I don't know about Coinbase. I didn't see one. I think Coinbase was working fine. But if you know, that's great. Okay, we'll look at, maybe you guys look into that. In Binance, supply demand pump possible. Okay, cool. So that's crazy. So not a lot of people are able to hopefully sell their ICP right now on Coinbase. No, that's not good. We want to take profit. So they'll fix that really quick. You'll have a chance to sell your net computer. But yeah, cool. That thing filled up in one Dow Gold SNS. That's right. The thing filled up in a couple hours with a minimum commitment. Let's see. I hope they hit the maximum. Rally, Santa rally, baby. Christmas Santa rally. This is beautiful. Please share this if you want people to know these prices. If you're in like a crypto group, let's get this out to the masses. He said average 440. This is, man, thank you, God, man. I just want to say that for a minute because that's amazing. This is why I got into this. You're almost double in profit now. Well, okay, let's just say 50% in profit, not 100%. So you're about 50% in profit right now. 220, yeah, 660. That would be 50% in profit right now. So you are 50% in the profit. So if you put 5,000, you got $7,500 right now. Yes, we're making money here, baby. 498 with 3,875. You're in the profit. Let's go. We making money. I just made, let's see, 1,000 ICP. I was at $2,830 2 months ago. Now I have like almost 1,100 ICP in there, and it's at 670, 650, 670, 660, whatever. So I made, let's see, even from 28 to 6,600. So I almost 150% gains. 150% gains, 2.5x in 2 months, making money. Oh, he said, hey, what's up, brother? What's up, brother? 360. Okay, cool. A lot of people will buy after payday. Yeah, so, and the price, this is just all good accumulation. I actually told someone to buy at $6 once. I kind of felt bad at the time, but then he told me, he said, I'm not in this for the short term. And I said, good. That's what I wanted to hear. Because if you're not worried about the short-term price moving down to $2, $6 is a great buy. Now he's in the profit again. Everybody I told is in the profit now. Everyone. Well, I don't know. If you depending on when you bought, but yeah, 40K at 303. Oh, dude, you want to come on the channel? No, that's a lot of ICP though. Congratulations, ICP Nation, baby. Be nice if Coinbase would let me start making 2 more every other day. Yeah. I mean, 2 more. Okay, hold on. Did I miss something here? You were talking about. So you want to buy 2 more every day. I don't know what you mean there. Sorry, bud. Moving too fast for me to find the low and miss the big one. Well, so we're still in the first part of the bull market. Remember that. There's a cycle that goes bear market, bull market, 2-year bear market, 2-year bull market. It's a 4-year cycle, the halving. So what happens? Bitcoin comes out, the Bitcoin halving, it comes out. So the market starts to move. And what happens is a supply shock on Bitcoin because the miners get half the rewards. Half of the Bitcoin that sold in the last bear market or bull market is not able to be sold now in this one. So it creates a supply shock over the next year or 2 years. And then that supply shock dwindles as people sell off and take profits. And then we wait another 2 years and it happens again. So accumulation is the key, dollar cost averaging. Okay. Nation, I think I saw it on Twitter early. Dang. Do you think 50 ICP is enough on poor? I think if you are accumulating, you're going to be okay. Get as much as you can, dollar cost average. That's all you can do. You know, I used to be very, very poor. I'm not going to say I'm rich, but I'm able to survive now. Let's just say that. Dollar cost averages, just when you can. Okay, I'm trying. Good job, man. Do it. I just hope, peeps, long way to go. How can the other influencers ignore this? That's what I've been saying for almost 2 years now. 2 years. So let's go. Let's do it. Jesse, my guy. Thanks, bro. Average 650. Okay. No, not much though. Yeah. It's all going to depend on enough. Too bad I'm poor too. Lost my mom and now had 40K in my account with a place that it needed to go. Put a bit more than half in ICP. Okay, cool, man. 26 on coin. Damn, 60 viewing. Okay, man, I can't go through all these questions. Wow, crypto boomer. Am I in the eight-year gang? Yeah. I'm accumulating ICP all the time in the 8-year. Well, okay, it's 6-year. God, he caught me. No, because I do it in the bull market to bear market. So when we get into, let's see, so 2029, 2034. So when we get into 2026, I'm going to go 8-year gang to 2034 or 2033. Let's do 2025. So in the bull market, so I think what I'm going to do is sell, take profit in the next bull market at the end, sell my ICP, wait for the price to go down to say like, you know, if we go to 150, say it goes down to $26. Then I'm going to put all that money in. Well, I'm going to dollar cost average that money back in. And then I am going to lock up probably at least 100 ICP, well, depending on the price, 100 at, you know, $20 times 10, 200, that's $2,000. So I might do like about $2,000 in for till 2034. But right now it's 6 years because I want it to end up in 2029. It's almost 5 years now. So that I can be in the next bull run and sell in that one as well with my 8-year neuron. So if you got to watch my staking videos, I break that down in a pretty good way for you guys to understand it. So a 416, nice. 529 Ladybug, thank you. He just slapped his cat because the price went up so much that his cat came over and slapped him, so he had to slap him back. No, that's funny though. You didn't really do it. Let's go, Bitcoin Renegade. I've been watching you forever, bro. Keep it up. We gonna make it. Yeah, we are together. We're going together, and I'm taking my friends here with me too. I told them. So once my channel blows up, once this crypto blows up, you guys are coming with me, bro. We're doing this. We're doing it big. So tax season, I'm gonna have to. So if I make enough money, I'm gonna have to hire an accountant because I'm good with numbers, but the taxes on crypto are crazy. You got to pay someone to do it, like 10 hours a day for like a month. Something like that. All right, guys, that's about everything. William got it in at 322. Congratulations. We're all just sitting pretty. We're making thousands of dollars like every couple of days now. So this is great. You could also do, you know, leverage trade and be careful on that. I would recommend just dollar cost averaging. But if you're a pro, you know how to read the charts like me, or you watch my charts in these levels, and then you use them as indicators on how the price moves and how to take profits at these next levels, then you'll do good. But be careful. So I would love to collab with Jerry Banfield, and I also want to shout out Bobby O because he is a huge ICP influencer. His videos do really well, and I just want to shout him out because I guess he shouted me out, and I love it when people are friendly. You know, I don't, when people like shill somebody on here, like most of the time I'll just get rid of it, but when there's good people in the community, they stick around. We had one guy that came in, blew up, and then disappeared, and then we have other guys, and he might not even be a bad person. He just wasn't cut out for this. I'm made for this. I was made for this. And you guys are coming with me. All right, guys. That being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!